Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach how to draw a simple girl in a very easy way. First of all, just put three straight lines and thereafter, just as shown in my video, just draw a simple oval shape on around half of the page. It is a basic structure just to give an idea how the shape would look like. It is one simple head with a neck and shoulders. This is the first step. But after you divide the circle into 4 parts like this, 3 straight lines on this oval shape, just to mark where the forehead would be, where the eyes would be, where the nose would be, and where the chin would be. Thereafter, you can start marking the hairs of the lady just by your imaginations, just assuming how the hairs would look like. Just like this, randoms, the hair should flow from top to bottom. It is a basic kind of a structure. It doesn't have eyes, ears. It doesn't have to be very detailed, just the overall structure, how the figure will look like. Once this structure is ready, then you can draw on it just like any other building. First of all, it has to be a sound structure. By structure, I mean the shape, the ratio of the shape, the neck and shoulders, hairs and everything. The structure decides that. Now you can see the figure is popping out. It is just it is very easy. You can see. Now you can see the lady as well, the basic shape of the lady, hairs, nose, eyes. Now just on the middle line, just draw eyebrows. Thereafter you can draw eyes below that as well. This is not a very beautiful picture like Mona Lisa, but definitely it looks like a beautiful lady. And we are not going for a super high, hyper detail or very high quality image of a lady. We are just working on basic lady face. Keep on watching the video. You will find that it is not very difficult to sketch anything. You can see in front of yours in the screen itself that slowly the lady figure is coming to life step by step. I would say it is not that beautiful, but it is a lady for sure. You cannot say this is a man or some other figure. It is a decent picture. You can draw it yourself. There is nothing hard in it. See how I am giving shape to the collar neck. Thereafter the t-shirt. Now her shoulders, hairs are already done. Now this is still the basic shape. Now I have to color this a basic shape as well. I'm just removing all the unnecessary lines from this picture, which I have used earlier as a guideline, as a guide to mark eyes, hairs and face. So the lady's face is round, as you can see. Now the picture is looking a little bit better because I have just corrected her face. As this is done by pencil, that means you can erase all wrong steps and do the correction. If the shape of the figure is, you don't think that you think that some part of the lady is she's looking fat or she's looking very thin, or the shape is the face of the shape is not good, you can just rub and correct, make changes. This is the best part of pencil sketching. Once you are happy with the basic shape that neck is fine, shoulders, hairs and eyes, nose, everything is fine. Then after that you can start coloring this. See, earlier her face was a little fat, but now I have just smooth. Now her shape is looking more like a triangular shape. See, now I've started coloring her face, giving some colors to this picture. You can choose any color, any light color. You can choose green as well. Right now I have chosen some yellow and marking her face with very light shades with watercolors. I have used yellow. As the light is falling from the left hand side, the left hand side would be brighter and the right hand side would be little darker. As of now I am just filling her skin with light tone. Thereafter I will, after some time, once this paint gets dry, I will just color it little dark. See, I have taken some dark colors. I have started using dark colors on one side of the face. As I said, on the left hand side the light is there. I'm assuming the light is coming from left hand side, and on the right hand side it is darker. So I have just painted right hand side part of the face with little dark brown color, and some little shading I'm giving on the left side as well to give her a basic shape. Reason why I've started with the face is because hairs, the face, on the face the hairs will come. So if the paint is a little bit here and there, the hairs could cover that part. Now I've started with hair and I've used yellow color on it. Earlier I was thinking of using red color, but I said let's experiment, let's do something new, and done her hair with yellow color and added little red in there too. You can experiment, you can use any color, you can use blue, you can use green. Just add some water on it and start with light shade. Thereafter keep on, thereafter just start giving darker shades. So on the right hand side you can see I have used red color, so there is definitely no specific color. You can choose any color if you want. You can choose even pink. That is the most beautiful thing of watercolors. As an artist you can experiment. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can use black as well. You can use green, blue, brown, whatever color you like on hairs. Same with the case of skin as well. You can do her skin with blue as well, and the picture will come out in a very different way. Just experiment. So on the left hand side I have done yellow. Now you can see I am using brown just to give a more darker shade, and now the picture is popping out really nicely. See, it is very simple, it's not difficult. If you take your brush and start just brushing, just putting brush on the page, something will be created, and after some time you will realize that you're learning, and you can and after practicing for quite some more time you can start making very good pictures. So in this picture I have made so many mistakes. You can see the lips of the lady are not perfect, even the nose is not perfect, eyes, eyebrows, hairs as well are not that much perfect, but still it looks good and she's looking beautiful as well. As an artist you don't have to worry about how it will look, how people will see it. You should just enjoy what you're doing. Draw the shape. This would be your first drawing, I would say, but start practicing doing this color therapy daily and you'll definitely see the results in few days itself. When you brush for the first time, you'll find the colors are not appearing the way you want, but slowly, gradually they will start acting or just be visible as you wish. Now I've marked eyebrows, and I have done it very bluntly. Just for one brush I am doing this all painting. I've seen artists using various types of brushes, so I'm just a newcomer, so I'm just using basically two brushes, that's all. Two brush max, pencil and watercolors, that's all. Here I should have used very thin watercolor brush, but I had this in my hand and I don't know where I kept that smallest brush, so I've started using that only. But the results are quite good and I like it. It is coming out very nicely. I'm just outlining all the pencil shade that I have given earlier, just to give the shape of hair nicely. You can see I have not used black in hairs, neither I have used kind of pink or nothing. I've just used yellow, red or whatever I liked on this lady, but the picture is coming out to be very beautiful. Look at that, how beautiful. Now when you will see the difference when I'll color her eyes. As of now it is like it is half. Unless I color her eyes, it will be half. Whatever I do, it will be half. Now I am on to eyes. You will see the change. Now her eyes, eyebrows, yes, very simply big bright eyes. Now nose. I'm not putting any effort in drawing this. It is just simple coloring. Whatever basic I did earlier with pencil, I'm just outlining it. Even the lips, just outline very slowly and carefully, because these are eyes, nose and lips are very important. Little change of brush, and the picture gets spoiled. Now she looks more beautiful. I've colored her lips as well. Eyes are dark, black eyes with red hair. Now collarbone, I'll correct a collarbone. Now you can see how the picture came out. Earlier it was looking like what I'm making, but at the end the result is very nice. It's not difficult, I would say. It is absolutely not difficult. Just start enjoying the color. Many people saying it is a kind of color therapy. Just enjoy. See how the thing came out. And if you frame this picture in little frame it and put it on wall, or you take the digital copy of it and print it, it will look fabulous. You can add your message, you can gift it to somebody. It is simply beautiful. Thanks a lot. Thank you.